and I'm partying or I'm singing or I lean to the left or I lean to the right. Hold on. Stop and read back.
I think it's worth investing in when the feeling is mutual, when both parties are really excited, when, oh God, when there's like these little moments of magic.
Feels good, it fits right. We don't move too quick. Got hers, I get mine. We say, ooh, that's it. Say what I feel is a fact. She said she feel it right back.
Hi, good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl, StarPollyanna. I hope you guys like this short video that I'm going to bring today here. So, if you would like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you got some value, go ahead and share your girl out. You probably see me different inside my studio. Yes, I did it all over, and I'm going to put up a video really soon showing you everything because I still have some lights that I want to put up in the corners. Yeah, I did over the entire studio for the holidays. So if you guys like what you're seeing here today, share a girl out, like, follow, subscribe, do all that good stuff so you'll be in the know of when Star brings up some beautiful stuff. So today I am going to be showcasing, and thanks to those who return, and thank you so much to those who are here for the first time and would hit that subscribe button. A company reached out to me named Busties. So yeah, I got some girls on me. And I did another video that I'm going to put up here that YouTube gave me so much problems with this video. Listen, they took it down. We had to put up to try to get that video to stay up on the channel. So I'm not going to be so naked this time, but I'm going to put a little bit more clothes on. But I want to showcase this. They reached out to me. They sent me this boob tape. You know, a girl have to put her glasses on when I'm reading, so let's go ahead and do that right away. If you guys like my makeup and my hair, I'm going to put up thumbnails as well on the screen. You can enjoy those content as well. I got to clean it. Let's go ahead and clean it, right? Listen, your girl is uncut. I'm showing you guys everything. Anyway, so I got to read with it, so I got to put it on. Yeah. So, Busties reached out to me. They sent me this boob tape. I opened it already from the wrapping that it came, but I didn't open the box. As you can see, it is still sealed. So I'm going to open it on camera, guys, and show you guys what it's all about. But before we do that, let me just give you some information on it. And there is a QR code. You know what? I'm going to put that up there. Take a picture. You guys can probably do a screenshot of that, and then you'll be able to go straight to their website by scanning with your phone the QR code there. Anyway, and if you wish to purchase any, you can go to www.getbusties.com. That's GETBUSTIES.com. You can follow them as well on Instagram and TikTok at GetBusties. Any help you need is help@getbusties.com. Anyway, so this is the tape that they sent me, and I'm going to go ahead and open that up on camera. Let me get a little photo with it just in case it might be my thumbnail. There we go. So that's probably going to be my thumbnail. Anyway, so I'm going to open it up on camera to show you guys. Gotta put my glasses on, guys. Yep. Go. Just me. Can't see. So this is what came in the box. Open up. Oh, there's a little saying inside. It's so cute. It said, "Your tata called. They need a lift." Your tata's called. They needed a lift. So cute. That is so cute. See, you're going to put on the glasses to see. So inside the box, and I'll do this unboxing here for you guys to see. So this is what comes inside your box. You get a boob tape. You get a bag. You get a little Busties bag to hold your tape in case you're traveling. This is also really good for jewelry, just sidebar. And then you got the tape inside. This is the tape, the boob tape. I wish it had a different color, like it darkened my complexion. Maybe they have it on the website, I don't know. So you got the boob tape. We got a stop. It says stop, read back. Hold on. Stop and read back. Let's see what's in this little pouch here. How do you open it? There we go. So it says stop. Warning. Before use of breast tape, use test strip on ribs for 24 hours to make sure you aren't allergic to the tape. After first 24 hours, if you have a rash or irritation, do not use. And it's in red and big and bold. So there you go. So this is the first one that you're supposed to use by your rib. However, I've used boob tape before and I know I'm not allergic to it, so I can go ahead for the sake of this video and use the boob tape. But this was really good. This is really good to see that they send a little piece inside just in case you may have some sort of allergic reaction. That's really nice. And then inside it comes with the how to apply. They show you 4 tapes, how to do it 3 positions. It also comes with some nipple covers. Oh, this is cute. They give you some skin-like nipple covers. And they give you this one as well. I've used these many times because I tape a lot. Sometimes I have to show stuff, so I put it on my nipples and I wear the clothing over it. So I'm going to go ahead and let's see what's inside of here. They show you how to cut it, how to trim it, how to prep it. They show you how to remove it. When you finish, you saturate it with some oil and then pull off gentle. There you go. So guys, my husband is supposed to be going out this afternoon. His it's the holidays and stuff like that, so a lot of going out and events is taking place. And while inside I was getting dressed, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and debut this boob tape one time. So we have to get out. I have 2 options of dresses that I want to wear this afternoon, and this is how you open it. There we go. Simple. Not bad. Go ahead and throw that out. This is what the tape looks like. This is what it looks like. Not bad. So I have these 2 dresses that I want to, one of these I want to wear. Oops, there goes my hat. One of these I want to wear. I want to wear this one or this one. I love this one a lot more. And if you want to see these, I also put up a video. These are from Shein. So I think I'm going to wear this one because it has part of my boobs out. And I'm going to put on some boob tape, get dressed right here, and show you guys how you too can wear, how you too can use the boob tape. So I'm going to show you. I'm probably going to do it from the shoulder coming down and just holding the breast up. So I'm going to go ahead, do that, and then I'll be back. I don't want this video to get canceled again like my other video. So I got to do it off camera and then come back and I'll show you guys. Or maybe I just do one tape, show you what it looks like. Because this breast, I have a bra on right now, and take it off, do that, and then I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll be back. So I came back in with my top off, and I'm really close to you guys because I'm not trying to get in any trouble, but I'm going to show you. I'm going to adhere. So I cut 4 strips. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 strips. Let's see if that will be enough. I am going to adhere the tape from my shoulder onto the lower and then down to the breast area. I'm going to do that, come back and show you. I'm going to do one side and then I'll come back in and show you. It has a real nice stretch to it, guys. So you stretch it like that to cut it, to get the beginning. Do not touch it. Remember not to touch the tape. And then you remove this part. You're going to go ahead and put it onto your shoulder. That's where I want it to hold tonight for the dress. And then I'm going to begin to release the bottom like this. If you guys saw my other video, you'll remember how I showed you guys. Come on here, like that. And then I'm going to stretch it and go down to the boob, okay? And I'll be back. So here we are, guys. I came back in to particularly show you the difference. I did one side and I didn't do the other side. Look at the difference with the lift. That's the tape. I taped it up from the back of the shoulder here, giving it a lift. And look at the difference, if you can see, without me showing. This one lifted, and this one has nothing on it. Look at the difference. This breast is up here, nice and see, and this breast is all the way down here. Let me change my top so you can see a little bit more, without me trying to be too naked here on the camera. Can you guys see that? The drop on this one? Here you have it, guys. I put on a white top so that you guys can see. I didn't finish put anything on this tape, this breast just yet, but you can clearly see the difference in my top. Can you see that? One is up here, nice and rounded off, and the other one is all the way still dropped all the way up here. Look at that. I'm doing this just for this video so you guys can see. Look at how that looks. And the way I rounded it off to make it look nice and round still, like it's a breast. I am going to go do the other side. Look Look at how that look. You can't tell me. Listen, I fell in love with their boob tape. I've been using it for a while, guys. And when they reached out to me, I was like, I have to make this video. And I wanted to make it so I don't get my video banned. So I hope you guys appreciate this one. If you are interested, links are down below. Grab yourself one. It takes a little while to getting accustomed to it, but when I tell you, you would love it. It feels really like I can move. And the breast is not moving anyway. This one, if I move, you see? Look at the difference. I love me some boob tape. Let me do this side, put on the dress, and I'll come back and show you guys what the finish with the V and everything looks like. And then I'll be on my merry way out with my husband. So guys, this is the dress that I'll be wearing this afternoon with my lovely husband, as you guys can see. So now, everything is taped up. If I wish to wear a back out dress, I could have worn that as well. I look classy. It is beautiful. Let me see if I can button it if I wish. Button up the dress, or I can leave it open where it have that little sneaker poo there. My dress just pulled. Oh my god, I'm just like, oh my god, why did it pull like that? Anyway, so tell me what you think. So this was the problem one. Look at, I raised it up. I'm going to step back as far as you guys can see. I am going to probably pair this dress off with my my Louis bag this afternoon. I'm looking a little bit trendy with colors, and I'm probably going to put on my gold shoes with that. You guys gotta tell me in the comment section what you think. Look at how beautiful. If you want to see this is from DHgate. If you want to see this, guys, I'm also going to put up a link right here. That's the thumbnail you look for to enjoy this. I brought you guys this, and there's a landing page. So if you wish, you can pick yourself up one. But before I get going on my merry way, I really wanted to bring this tape while I'm getting dressed inside of my closet to show you guys what it looks like. Beautiful. I find I look beautiful tonight. The girls are up. Tell me that is not a look. Look at that. You seen the tape? You see? Look at that. See it? Covering. Covering. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. So you can go out and look at that. And I'm partying, or I'm singing, or I lean to the left, or I lean to the right. Nothing is falling out. It is staying right there. Put. Love it, guys. If you are interested in getting one or to being a part of the Busties crew like us girls, go pick yourself up one. All of the links are going to be placed down below. I tell you guys, most of the life is in the description. Do not skip the description. I put a lot of the information down below in the description for you guys, so you can go pick yourself up one as well. I'm heading out. Thank you, Busties, so much for partnering with your girl, for bringing me this. I love it. I am sold, sold, sold. Go pick yourself up some. You will thank me later for it. As per usual, before I leave and head out on my merry way, go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot it up in the comment section for your girl, me, StarPollyanna. Follow me also on my TikTok and Instagram. Over there, short form content, and a lot comes out there before it even gets over here on YouTube. Remember, see you guys next week Sunday. Every Sunday I post a video between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If you didn't see none, there isn't any video, but most Sundays I post. I hope you guys like this one. Thank you, Busty, once again for reaching out to your girl. I really appreciate this one, because I'm heading out tonight dressed from my room, and I'm heading my merry way. Bye.
Oh, don't you wanna get cozy? We'll sail across an ocean of sheets. Da 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 da.